Hey everybody, 𝐁𝐴𝐴𝐿𝐴 here, and I'm going to show you a G lick that I like to play. And here it is in context with a solo I often play for 𝘀𝗴𝗲𝗽𝗪𝐻. What is it called? I can't remember the real name because he always makes a joke and says it's Hamilton County Breakdown. Oh, Adams County Breakdown. All right, here we go. Now, there's a lot of licks in there, but there's one in particular that I want to show you how to play. It is a G lick. It'll fit anywhere that a G chord is being played, but it's up to you to decide in which situations it's tasteful. So here's how to play the lick. It's going to be all first and second fingers. So we're going to play first finger, second fret of the A string, second finger, third fret of the A string, back to second fret, index finger, and then open A. And I know I mix index and first finger and all that all the time. I can't help myself. I'm just lucky I'm not giving you fiddle fingering or fiddle numbers. All right, so that's your first little part, all alternating strokes, starting with a downstroke. Now you just move that all up one fret. So now it's index to third fret, middle to fourth fret, index back to third fret, open A. All alternating, starting with a down. Now we move that up another fret. Fourth fret, index finger. Fifth fret, middle finger. Fourth fret, index. And then open. Again, alternating strokes. Then we go back to the third and fourth frets and do that one again. And now finally, we just play a 2 on the A, and that resolves the lick. The lick. It's a cool little lick, and it'll fill a couple measures for you there too. So if you need G ideas, that'll fill at least 2 measures, and if you want, you can repeat it. For as long as you want. By the way, I still have some of my Wonderbat shirts left and Wonderbat caps. Now I'm wearing my Nashville Sounds cap today. I was just thinking today I want to go see him play. But baseball season is upon us, so grab your Wonderbat shirt and your Wonderbat hat. You can find those at both my websites, theNATELEE.com and PlayNATELEE.com. And I'll put links on the YouTube and Facebook descriptions so you can find those easily. So check them out. I think you'll like them. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.